Hi friends, welcome back to Bonsai class. Today we are working on dark Kamini plant. This is murraya paniculata. This plant is a beautiful plant. It have small, very small leaves that gives so it can be made into a shohin bonsai or mame bonsai. This is one of the plant that little bit maintenance free, and sometimes this dark Kamini plant gives white fragrant flowers. Actually, if you take a medium sized Kamini plant, it always produces white flowers, fragrant flowers. But this Kamini plant to produce small fragrant flowers, it takes little bit time. It is one of the plant with a dark green leaves, glossy dark green leaves, and dark trunk line, and a little bit whitish dark trunk line, and that gives the plant age a matured plant. When you are making this plant into a bonsai, first this plant being a small version of the plant, so here we can reduce wiring, and by only cutting and pruning we can make the plant looks as a bonsai plant. This plant murraya paniculata, this plant is having the small leaves that is enter the trunk line is covered with a small leaves. So first we have when you are making this plant into a bonsai, first main thing is you have any plant, not only this plant, any plant when you are making this into any plant into a bonsai, first thing you have to remove the small leaves that are covering the main trunk line and expose the trunk line. Leave some of the branches on the trunk line so the trunk line can play hide and seek. Here you can see clearly we are removing all the small branches on the main trunk line, and we are trimming down the plant now. See here, all the down portion branches were removed, and we are giving a clean look to the dark Kamini plant. Now it is time to remove the soil. We'll remove the soil here, and keep small compact portion of root ball near the main trunk line. That helps the plant to come up to recover from the root cuttings fast, and it protects the plant, so there won't be many shocks to the plant. So it is better to keep root ball near the main trunk line. We are cutting down all the down portion of the roots. When we are keeping some root ball near the main trunk line, that is the whole soil, that there are some beneficial bacteria are present in the whole soil, that helps the plants to recover from the shock of root cuttings. After repotting, we put some fresh bonsai soil, and we are checking if there are any air spaces are there between the old soil and then new soil. So we are closing those air spaces with the chopstick. Now still some more need cleaning to be done. So cleaning the main trunk line, and we are checking if there are any small branches are there, and small stems are there. So we are removing all of them and giving a clean look to the plant now. By trimming down like this, the plant gets a good look. Good look means it looks like a tree now. Already now the plant is looking like a tree. You can see here now our main trunk line is coming. You can see the main trunk line, and you can see the primary branches clearly. On the primary branches you are seeing the secondary branches and the tertiary branches. So what we are doing, we are trimming down the outer growth of the plant, dark Kamini plant, and little bit removing of all the small branches we are doing. And when we are coming to the front side, there are some of the branches, these branches, they are obstructing the look of the main trunk line. So what we are doing, we are cutting, we already cut them, and we are we, we and we are giving a complete complete look of the trunk line. We are giving here showing the trunk line clearly here now. Now we are checking at the apical growth of the plant, and we are removing some of the small branches, and we are giving a good apex to the Dwarf Kamini plant. Some last minute touches are there, so we are trimming down those branches, and it is better to remove this branch also. Now you can see that clearly the look of the complete plant, bonsai plant. And after doing all these things, we are giving a good shower to the plant here. Plant is having good shower, and this is the finished plant of our bonsai, dark Kamini. And look at the beauty of that plant. Thank you friends for watching, and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.